So Rwanda is a very divided post-conflict society, and the scholarship on it, both the legal scholarship and the political scholarship, is equally divided. On the one side, there's a strong argument for the exceptional nature of the Rwandan state. We've seen rapid improvements in public health, in access to education, and general provision of public goods. On the other side, and it's the increasingly dominant side, you see enormous criticism of the Rwandan government. And the Rwandan government is understood as authoritarian and ruled by a small elite associated and connected with the current ruling party, the Rwandan Patriotic Front. I think that this polarisation in many ways helps to explain why we've seen the generation of knowledge inside of Rwanda as so starkly divided. So most of the scholarship that's currently published in international journals and in established publishing houses is coming from non-Rwandan authors, whereas a lot of the Rwandan authors who are doing work in the country are seen to not be critical enough of the government and of government policies. So the project that I'm currently working on emerged from a series of discussions that came out of the UK All-Parliamentary Group for the Prevention of Genocide and Crimes Against Humanity in June of 2014. And the discussions that we had within this group really centered on how do we start to build connections between policymakers, research and higher education. And the discussion was led by the Aegis Trust, which is a UK charity that also has the dual status of a non-governmental organisation in Rwanda. So it was really through these discussions that we started to generate this idea about an innovative peer-to-peer mentoring program. So we issued a general call for papers to Rwandan researchers looking at a broad range of topics. So this included transitional justice, social cohesion, reconciliation, economic development in the post-genocide period. And we received an overwhelming response. So we got 171 abstracts submitted by Rwandan researchers. And what we saw was that many of the applications were asking really tough and really critical questions. We then went through the very difficult process around selecting 12 of those proposals, which are now going to be developed over the next 12 months. The main goal of the project is to ensure that the projects that we are working on will be published as academic articles. And in this way, it's about unsettling some of the assumed areas where knowledge is generated on Rwanda at the moment. So it reorientates the discussion from a discussion that is mainly happening between non-Rwandan researchers outside of the country to a discussion that includes and involves and is challenged by Rwandans working inside of the country.